Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to register for one of our United Way community centers and sign up for classes. If you are already on your community center profile, feel free to skip ahead to minute 424 in this video. Let's get started by opening your browser and searching for United Way of Utah County. Click on the Home page, then scroll down to Resources and select Community Centers Thriving Together. Now you're at this drop-down window. Click on the Community Centers button to open the Community Centers page. Now you're on United Way Community Centers Thriving Together. Choose the community center you wish to attend: South Franklin, in Provo, Payson, or American Fork. For this demonstration, I'll use South Franklin, but the steps are the same for all centers. All right, if you're a returning user, go to the left button, Register for Classes. If you're a new user, go down to General Registration. All centers use the same general registration form, so no worries. Your first step is to select the center you want to register for: Provo, also known as South Franklin, Payson, or American Fork. For this example, I'll choose Provo. Next, fill out your personal information, such as your name, contact details, address, spoken language, and so on. You'll also be asked to create a password. Please write it down, take a picture, or save it somewhere safe, because you'll need it to log in later and register for classes. Selecting your preferred method of contact is also essential, allowing us to efficiently communicate with you about classes, days the centers are closed, and more. Then you'll answer a few confidential questions. These help us better understand the community we serve and assist in securing funding for our programs. Your answers will not affect your eligibility. After that, you'll be asked to read and agree to the United Way Code of Conduct. This is important for being an active and respectful member of the center. Please take a moment to read it. Then scroll down and select that you understand and agree. Next, review and accept the liability agreement. This section will help you understand what you agree to when participating in our programs. You'll also be asked whether you consent to having photos or videos of your children used in promotional materials for United Way. Select either I agree or I disagree. Finally, check the box that says I'm not a robot and click Submit. That's it. You're now registered with your community center. Now that you're registered, click Program Registration. Let's log in using the email and password you just created and register for classes. If you've forgotten the email you used to register, please call your corresponding community center. If you're having any other trouble logging in, email us at communitycenters@unitedwayuc.org or call 801-691-5347 for assistance. Now you're on your personal page. To sign up for a class, go down to Program Registration at the bottom of the page. Select which date you would like to register for, summer 2025, winter 2025, etc., and click Apply Program. You should see your name as well as your children's names. Then you'd like to register and scroll to the right under Program. Choose the program you'd want to enroll them in. There are lots of programs, so make sure it's the right one. Now wait. One important requirement for our programs is age. Make sure your child meets the age requirements for the class you're selecting. In this example, the Provo Playgroup is for children under the age of 4. Since our example child is over 5 years old, they are ineligible. Now let's find a class that our example child is eligible for. Perfect. Now click Save. If you don't click Save, you won't be enrolled. So that is an extremely important step. Once you see the program listed next to your child, you should be good to go. However, if you need to enroll, simply hit the X next to the class and save. You can also enroll yourself in a class if you would like. We'll do another demonstration for you. Remember to click Save. And there you have it. You can always log out after your registration by clicking Log Out on the top right. If you need help with registration or signing up for a class, you can call or visit your community center, and one of our staff members will be happy to assist you. Again, if you ever forget your password, click on Request Password. Enter your email address, as you can see here, and click Request Password. You'll receive an email with a link to reset it. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder in case it doesn't appear in your inbox. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please call or visit your community center if you need any additional assistance. Thank you.